Today we are making a Berry Collagen Smoothie.
So I'm really excited about this one because based on your precision genetic test, this smoothie is perfect for you and it's delicious. You're gonna love it.
I'm so excited. It was so easy to do my gene test, and it was so easy to find out what foods are good for me, what foods aren't good for me. I did my precision test. I know you just did yours.
Swab, super easy.
How do you do it?
5 minutes. You just put it in your mouth for like 2 minutes, swirl it, put it back in, mail it back, and
then you're gonna get these 3 books that tell you this nutrition analysis, your weight analysis. So this is for weight loss, weight management, or if you want to do performance, that's a different protocol, and then the precision nutrition plan. So it was fascinating learning all about yourself. Look, this is the part of the book that tells you which foods are good for you. Wow. So I was told which foods are good for me, like my body can process it, but it's not good for me during weight loss. So if I'm in weight loss mode, I can't have cheeses. However, cheeses, for example, are actually, I can process them very well, and they're actually healthy, not toxic for me. But it's beautiful, right? And then certain things, like I found out, and I happen to be a natural vegetarian, but I actually now had validation because pretty much all meats are bad for me and toxic. Wow. So it makes perfect sense that I gravitated in that direction anyway.
That's so interesting.
Yeah. I'm excited about this. Thank you for doing this.
Of course.
My custom drink made for my genes.
Yes.
Woo!
So I don't know if you're into colostrum and collagen yet, but it's it's a beauty duo right here. This is like a inside out recovery smoothie.
Love it.
Let's get into it.
We need that fresh glow.
Yes, collagen's really good for your joints, your skin, your hair, all that good stuff. So
let's see, what do we do?
Okay, first we are going to start with our milk.
Okay.
Okay. Almond milk. Cheers.
Cheers.
Next, let's go with our bananas.
Let's do bananas. Okay. All of them? Cheers.
Yes, half a ripe
love
banana.
the cheers. Okay.
Bananas are great for that extra sweetness.
Oh yeah, that's and it gives a nice thicker consistency.
Especially if you freeze it. Next, some berries.
And you know we love the berries.
We love berries.
Okay.
Oh
dear, now you're getting like me in the kitchen. I'm rubbing off on you, girl.
Girl, you haven't
I'm usually the sloppy one, but hey, I'm glad it's not just me. I'm glad other people run into these issues in the kitchen as well.
I'm known for my clumsiness.
Hey, that's what I said. If you can't mess up a kitchen, what's the point?
What's the point?
Like, you know, get down.
Don't even get me started with my messing up in the kitchen, but we need some towel.
We need a
It's a Bloody Mary over here.
All right, come here. We got you.
I
got you, girl. I got you.
You're very sweet.
All right.
I got you. My mess, my problem.
Okay, go ahead.
All right.
What else?
Okie dokie. Give me that garbage. Okay.
Okay, we got our berries, our milk.
Okay. Next, some spinach.
Okay.
So the good thing about spinach is you're getting your greens in, and you don't taste it in the smoothie. So you're not tasting spinach leaves.
Yeah.
Next, we're gonna put our chia seeds.
Oh, she loves these chia seeds.
I love chia seeds. Okay, now let's add some of our colostrum.
Okay. So do we do a whole scooper? Like a whole little thing here? Voila. So I love this. We had our colostrum here.
And the good thing about the colostrum and collagen is you don't taste it, right? So it just...
So this is great.
Just great.
Okay, so now what do we do?
Now some collagen.
Now we do the collagen.
Collagen.
Collagen. I get it. You know, I'm a little slow sometimes.
I have to be honest, since taking this...
I get there eventually.
Since taking this, my hair is getting, a little thicker.
Really? Look how long mine's got.
Your hair looks great.
It's just incredible. I love the collagen because, let's face it, who doesn't need a little extra plumpy plump?
This with red light therapy.
Little shiny shine. What?
I keep spilling and you're not even seeing.
I'm not noticing, girl. We're just having fun in this kitchen. This much?
Yeah, so a full scoop.
Put a little extra in mine.
Ooh, you want to get that?
I need a little more than you do.
Okay.
So I'll put a little extra.
That's okay.
You know, I made a full scoop out of it.
I got some bloody hands.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, next, a little peanut butter.
Okay.
I'll do it for you.
Thank you.
Just a little scoop. Gives it that good flavor.
I love
Protein.
I love it. Whoa. She's going.
And then we got some ice.
Chef couture on
I'm a
me
chef.
here. Okay.
All right.
Ice.
Fun fact, I used to work at the front desk of a gym and I would make smoothies for everyone. That's where I got
So
my
you're a
smoothie
pro
skills.
here.
Yep.
Okay, are we counting to 3 and turning our little machines
You
on?
ready?
1, 2, 3.
3.
Cheers!
All right. Okay.
All right.
Open her up.
Voila.
Voila.
Ooh, drip, drip.
Okay. All right.
Thank you again for doing this for me.
Thank you for joining me in the kitchen. I hope to see videos of you back in the kitchen.
This
good.
is so good. So
my
I
go-to.
can't thank you enough
You're
for
so welcome.
giving me my own precision genetics test smoothie.
It's self-care in a glass, basically.
I know, and it's got the colostrum
Yep.
and the collagen in
got
it,
everything.
and it's just everything I need to have long-lasting youth and
Hair's gonna
really
hair.
and skin. Thank you so much.
You're
I
welcome.
really
Thank you.
appreciate
Yay.
you. Now I feel like I can conquer the kitchen.
One thing is, I'm very excited to make more recipes with you in the kitchen.
Oh man,
So,
I'd be honored.
Whenever I'm in Florida, we're in Florida. Once a week, it's a date.
It's a date. Let's go.